Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Leather Sheath Kit is probably one of the most rewarding DIY projects for knife enthusiasts, allowing you to create a unique and personalized sheath that perfectly fits your knife and reflects your style. This kit provides everything you need to craft a durable, protective, and aesthetically pleasing sheath, from high-quality leather to essential tools and easy-to-follow instructions, ensuring a successful project even for beginners. Let's dive in and explore what makes this kit stand out. Number 5. Topstache Leather Multitool Sheath. This leather sheath provides a secure and convenient way to carry your everyday carry tools. It keeps everything organized and easily accessible, freeing up your pockets and hands. It's handcrafted from premium, durable natural leather with fine stitching. The crazy horse leather ensures it will last, providing a comfortable and long-lasting experience. Measuring 6.2 by 5.8 by 1 inches, it fits standard belts up to 1.8 inches wide. The double belt loops prevent bunching, ensuring a comfortable and secure fit. This sheath is designed to hold a variety of tools, including multi-tools, flashlights, pens, and car keys. There's even an elastic band for extra accessories and a loop for larger knives. It's a stylish and practical gift for any man. This EDC organizer simplifies daily life by keeping essential tools readily available and organized. What we like. It has a designated space for all your EDC tools, keeping everything organized and secure. The premium leather ensures durability and a luxurious feel. If you need a convenient way to carry your everyday essentials, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The large sheath part also holds my original Buck 110 perfectly and securely. There is also enough leather to allow for a perfect mold on the knife. I wear this every day on my belt, hold all my tools securely, it fits comfortably underneath even a suit jacket without bulging out. One thing I do like a lot is the leather pieces at the top which prevents a rub into your side. My Leatherman serge fits very well, snug and comes out easily with the lower finger opening where you can push it up. Number 4. Omesio Pocket Knife Sheath. This sheath is designed to perfectly fit your folding knife, providing both security and style. It's made from high-quality leather for durability and a classic look. Carry it horizontally or vertically, it's your choice. This sheath is designed for ultimate convenience and adaptability to your needs. With dimensions of 5.31 by 2.17 by 0.39 inches, it comfortably fits most folding knives up to 4.53 inches. It's the ideal size for everyday carry. Quickly and easily access your knife whenever you need it. The design prioritizes both security and effortless retrieval. Keep your knife safe from damage and always looking its best. This sheath is a stylish and practical way to carry your essential tool. Take it camping, hiking, or on any outdoor adventure. It's a perfect addition to your gear, ensuring your knife is always within reach and protected. What we like. Its slim design makes it perfect for everyday carry without being bulky. You can easily switch between horizontal and vertical carry based on your preference. If you prioritize convenience and a compact design, this is for you. What people say. My Buck 112 knife fit perfectly. It is a very fine looking knife sheath. Good materials, looks great. Very useful. Exactly what I received and in very high quality. It can be used for any small folder to give it charisma. I used some very high leather polish meant for high-end briefcases, and let me say the knife sheath came out glowing after the leather treatment. Number 3. American Leather Multitool Pouch. It comfortably holds tools up to 1.2 inches wide and 4 inches long. This sheath works perfectly with Leatherman, Gerber, and SOG multi-tools. It also fits accessories up to 1.2 inches wide. Think Benchmade, Leatherman skeletal, or similar sized knives. This versatile sheath fits belts up to 1.5 inches wide. It's a perfect addition to your everyday carry setup. The secure flap and snap keep your tool safe, yet it opens easily for quick access. Carry your essentials comfortably. Made with 100% American full-grain leather and backed by a lifetime warranty, it's a great gift for anyone who values quality and convenience. What we like. Made with high-quality American leather, it's built to last. It's compatible with a wide range of multi-tools and knives. If you value quality and compatibility, this is a great option. What people say. Good strong leather, nice uniform color with an absolutely beautiful. Extremely well made, and my Leatherman fits snugly inside with a tight snap. Great EDC tool at a great price, but the included belt case is cheap and wears poorly. Purchased this one, and it feels very heavy duty and looks good on my belt. Leatherman fits snugly inside. First impression was real quality build out of super thick material. Then I was concerned that I wouldn't be able to get a belt through the slot, but I jabbed a healthy screwdriver through and worked it a bit. Perfect. Number 2. Tourbon Leather Knife Sheath. This sheath is made of thick, genuine leather, ensuring durability and style. It's the perfect way to keep your knife safe and easily accessible. Notice the great stitching and robust construction. It's built to last and withstand daily wear and tear. It features a convenient pocket for your knife, allowing for quick access. Simply slide it in and out with ease. It fits knives up to 1.1 inches wide and belts up to 2.4 inches wide. It's designed for a comfortable and secure carry. Lightweight and functional, it's perfect for everyday carry. It's the ideal leather pouch for your pocket knife. This well-made sheath makes a practical and stylish gift for any man. Give the gift of convenience and protection. What we like. Crafted from thick, genuine leather, it offers both durability and style. The open-top design allows for quick and easy access to your knife. If you want a stylish and functional everyday carry sheath, this is perfect. What people say. It's sleek, holds great, the leather is good quality. He says you can't even feel that it's on you. The leather is good quality, and the stitching seems like it's going to last a long time. A very durable feel and comfortable on the waist belt. Looks amazing. Number 1. ELIZO Leather Knife Roll Bag. It combines high-quality leather with thick suede for protection and style. Designed for chefs and culinary students, it features secure sleeves, a storage pouch, and a travel-friendly wrap. Thick leather and a protective suede flap keep knives safe. Its compact size and lightweight design make it perfect for travel or kitchen storage. It has 4 slots to fit a variety of knives and tools. This ensures secure organization for your chef knives and other essentials. Expertly handcrafted with reinforced saddle-stitched edges for lasting strength. A secure drawstring closure keeps everything safely in place. We are a USA-owned business that prioritizes your satisfaction. If you are not happy with your purchase, we will make it right. What we like. Made from premium full-grain leather, it offers superior protection for your knives. The multiple slots allow you to organize various knives and tools. If you're a chef or culinary enthusiast, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Exceptional look, functionality, and craftsmanship. It holds my essential items of chef knife, utility knife, vegetable peeler, micro zester, instant read thermometer and honing steel. Great quality holder. Presentable and good size. This bag is stunning. Great quality. Like it states, it is for 4 knives max. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.